We see some of the questions asked in Accenture interview. The interview lasted for 20 minutes. Let's see some of the questions that they are asked in Accenture interview. The first question is, what are the features of C language? The answer for this question is, programs written in C are efficient and fast. This is due to its variety of data types and powerful operators. C language is the most widely used language in operating systems and embedded system development today. Structured programming language and mission independent or portable. This is the features of C programming language. Now let me see the third question. What is recursion in C? When a function calls itself, and this process is known as recursion, that means the function calls itself again and again until the condition is met, is known as recursion in C. And also you can explain with an example like recursion using factorial using recursion and Fibonacci series using recursion. And the fourth question they have asked is, what is the usage of pointer in C? Let me tell the answer for this question. Accessing array elements, dynamic memory allocation, call by reference, and data structures like a tree, graph, linked list, etc. These are the usages of pointer in C, and also you can explain pointer is a variable that have the address of another variable. The fifth question is like, what is an auto keyword in C? The answer for this question is, in C, every local variable of a function is known as automatic variable. Variables which are declared inside the function block are known as local variable. The local variables are also known as an auto variable. It is optional to use an auto keyword before the data type of a variable. If no value is stored in local variable, then it consists of a garbage value. This is the answer for this auto keyword in C. Let me tell another thing. Mostly the questions asked in interview round will be from the skills that you have mentioned in your resume. So be prepared with your skills that you have mentioned in your resume. Now let me go to the another question. Sixth question. What is the maximum length of an identifier? It is 32 characters ideally, but implementation specific. Seventh question. What is an infinite loop? A loop running continuously for an indefinite number of times is called as an infinite loop. Eighth question. What functions are used for dynamic memory allocations in C language? Answer. The functions that are used for dynamic memory allocations are malloc, calloc, relloc, and free. And you can also prepare for this what is meant by malloc, what is meant by calloc, what is meant by realloc, what is meant by free in the internet. Ninth questions. Can we compile a program without main function? The answer is yes, we can compile, but it cannot be executed. 10th question. What is the new line escape sequence? The new line escape sequence is represented by n, that means /n. It inserts a new line on the output screen. This is the answer. 11th question. Difference between C and C++. Now let me see some of the points in difference between C and C++. C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie. C++ language was developed by Bijnari Stroudstrup. Sorry if my pronunciation is wrong. The second point is, C is a structural programming language. C++ supports both structural and object-oriented programming language. C is a subset of C++. C++ is a superset of C. In C language, data and functions are the free entities. In the C++ language, both the data and the functions are encapsulated together in the form of project. C does not support data hiding, therefore the data can be used by the outside world. C++ supports data hiding, therefore the data cannot be used by the outside world. 12th question. What are the various OOPS concepts in C++? Answer: class, object, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and data hiding. 13th question. What are the different types of polymorphism in C++? The different types of polymorphism are runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. 14th question. How delete is different from delete? Delete is used to release a unit of memory, whereas a delete open bracket and close bracket is used to release an array. 15th question. What is an object? Answer: the object is the instance of a class. A class provides a blueprint for objects. So you can create an object from a class. The objects of a class are declared with the same sort of declaration that we declare variables of basic types. 16th question. What is a constructor and what is a destructor? Answer: a constructor is a special method that initializes an object. Its name must be same as class name. Destructor. A destructor is used to delete an extra resources allocated by the object. A destructor function is called automatically once the object goes out of the scope. This is the constructor and destructor. 17th question. What is virtual inheritance? This is the important question. Answer: virtual inheritance facilitates you to create only one copy of each object, even if the object appears more than one in hierarchy. 18th question. What is an overflow error? Answer: it is a type of arithmetical error. It happens when the result of an arithmetic operation being greater than the actual space provided by the system. Now let me see HR questions. The first question is, give a self-introduction about yourself. For this question, I have made a separate video. In that video, you can get tips and a demo piece where you can learn about self-introduction. It will be very useful. I will be giving the link in the description box. Second question, why Accenture? For this question also, I made a separate video with the tips and demo video. You can use the link given in the description box. Third question, was there a time when you dealt with conflict in a team? How did you deal with it? Fourth question, in your college project, have you ever been a team leader? How did you manage tasks? Fifth question, any life lessons which you have learned from your bad experiences? Sixth question, what are you looking for in a company? Seventh question, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Eighth question, why should we hire you? Ninth question, what do you know about Accenture? And I also made another interview experience which was done few days back. You can able to view those experience via the link given in the description box. All the best for your interview preparation for Accenture. And if you have any queries, you can able to contact me via the Telegram link given in the description box.